B. Braun Medical is implementing the first installation of Fleet Care, surgical instruments and sterile container systems at Bory Hospital in the Slovak Republic. The Fleet Care service provides the customer with almost carefree use of the instruments, while B. Braun Medical is taking care of the management and care of the instruments. We guarantee Escalab standard quality over the entire contract period.
A new hospital was built, for which 14 ORs were planned. It was necessary to cooperate with a large market player, and we thought that B. Braun is one of the few companies that can cover such a large scope of the surgical procedures, as it was planned for Bory Hospital. We've been working on this concept for almost 3 years. It was quite a long journey, and it was very difficult to put together all the planned procedures and the instruments for all surgical sets. And that's why we chose B. Braun. They helped us a lot. We spent 1 week with our clinical leaders in Tuttlingen in a huge training center, in a showroom where they could touch and feel all the instruments. They could actually personalize all the sets according to their needs.
In total, it is almost 20,000 instruments, as well as other accessories for surgical instruments.
It can be compared conceptually to an operating lease. For example, B. Braun guarantees us that the instruments are as new and still in good quality, in a similar condition as we bought them. This means that we don't have to worry about maintenance. So it also gives us a lot of convenience in terms of operations.
We are currently in the implementation phase, that is, the actual unpacking of the instruments and the physical inspection of the instruments.
Every single instrument has to be unpacked, and every single instrument has a unique data matrix code on it. This code is scanned, and we also have the individual pictures of the instruments, so that there is a subsequent verification of the data matrix and the assigned instrument. After this check, and after the instrument has been scanned into our hospital system, these instruments are put together in sets.
Bory Hospital is one of the few hospitals that tracks surgical instruments down to the single instrument level, allowing it to accurately track which instrument is in which location and at what time, and historically, track which instrument has ever been used on which patient.
Safety is absolutely key for us. This means that we have all container systems and all instrument sets up to date at any time. The maintenance of the instruments is covered in terms of operations, security, and economics. This is an enormous benefit to the healthcare provider.
There will be continuous training of the staff and, of course, regular inspections of the condition of the instruments and container systems during the contract period.
We have a contract with B. Braun for a period of 6 years. We believe that this cooperation will be beneficial for both parties, especially for us, and that the whole contract will be renewed.
Bory Hospital is the first hospital in the Slovak Republic using B. Braun's Fleet Care service, and we hope it will not be the last.